Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. I'm Vanessa, and today I want to come on here and do an album share with you guys, okay? So hey, welcome guys to Scrapping It Up. This album is the Handsome Workshop mini album that I designed for Father's Day, and I used the Kaisercraft Workshop collection. I used the there was 9 sheets, which I had, 2 of each. I have quite a bit of paper left. I used the sticker sheet that went with the collection. I used the embellishments that went with the collection, and then some of the wood veneers that came with the collection. And I love this. I love this. I will have this tutorial up on my shop if you would like to purchase it. Just go to scrappinitup.com and I will put the link down below. If you want to go check it out, you can go check it out, okay? And I will have some kits too if you would like to purchase some kits. It is only United States only shipping. I can't ship to Canada or the UK. It's just too expensive. But if you live in the United States and would like to purchase a kit, I will have those available too. Okay? So let's dive into this little cutie. So I just kind of collaged the front up a little bit with the gears and some of the embellishments. And there's the spine. And there's the back. And this album, the spine is 2.5 inches, and it does have 6 pages in it. And I did keep this album pretty simple because the end user is going to be a dad or a man in your life. So I wanted to keep it fairly simple. They don't understand all of our flips and flaps and, hidden tuck spots. So I kept it real simple, guys. And, you can put a picture here, or you could, journal with a white pen here about the picture here. This album turned out really cute. Now, you have 2 sets of pages. So you have 3 that's one design and 3 that's another design. And each page on the front is the same. So I made a pocket here, and I left it here to where they would have an easy time of knowing where this goes back in at. Okay. Instead of, making that clear to the end, I made it like that so they would know exactly where this needs to go back. So this flips. So this is one style of the page. So it flips here. And see, I made it to where they know it flips because you got this piece here. And then they know they're going to have to flip that and flip that. Okay. And then again, here's the front. And I didn't decorate the insides. I probably should have, but I didn't. I want to save them for the photos. And then here's the other page style. So you have a flap one, and then you just have a pocket. Okay, just a pocket. And then you have this one. And I love this paper collection. Oh my gosh, I love it. Of course, which paper collection don't I love? I love them all. Well, there's a few I don't. So then this opens. And then that opens. But yeah, it's a very simple album. And actually, it comes together, decorating it, it came together really quickly. I was very surprised. A couple photo mats, and I just left those off the pocket. Boys will be boys. Ain't that true? I don't think they ever grow up. Oops. So like that. And see, that way they can see that they know, well, what's underneath there. So they know to flip, and they see that underneath there, so they know to flip, and, automatic. But I kept, you know, because this is going to be for an end user, you know, the father or a man in your life. So, yep, I just kept it really simple, guys. Really simple. And then this opens up. And then that opens up. And that's the Handsome Workshop album. So if you would like to purchase this tutorial, I have it on my website, or you would like to purchase the paper that I used. I mean, it's beautiful. Even if you just want to get the paper and, you know, forget the album, you just want the paper. But it is, I mean, it goes together really simple. It's a great little album. So I hope you guys will hop on over to my website and purchase it. And we will see you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.